Jungle Scout versus Helium 10, which is better? So, first of all, we will talk about Helium 10. Helium 10 is a comprehensive software for seasoned e commerce seller that combines 30 different tools. These tools include keyword research, listing optimization, and inventory management capabilities, catering to the needs of various sellers. So, this software is handy for big companies engaged in brand management and development. Now, let's talk about the Jungle Scout. So, Jungle Scout is a software that helps private label sellers create their own brands and find profitable niches. While Jungle Scout offer fewer, features compared to Helium 10, it is a good tool to find ideas for your own brand items and create optimized product listing. If you just compare Helium 10 versus Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are both software tools for, of course, for Amazon sellers, but they have different strengths and weakness, right? The first one is Helium 10 is a most comprehensive platform with very more features. On the other side, Jungle Scout is more specialized for finding high profit categories, but it doesn't have so many features if you compare it to the Helium 10, right? It is only useful for the private label sellers, small business or small sellers who want to sell different niches, or find very less competitive niches over Amazon. So I hope you found this video very useful.